Hi, I'm Lindsay,
And I'm Sam.
and we are the founders of RAWrobotics. We are a pair of mechanical and electrical engineers with a background in and a passion for education and robotics.
Robots available today offer solutions for industry and academia where budgets of $10,000 to $200,000 are not a problem. However, schools have very low budgets of $100 to $800 per unit, up to about $5,000 for a set of units, including training. In this price range, the availability of robotic solutions reduces significantly. While there are many solutions for primary schools and early learning, there are shortages in capable and modern solutions for students in high school and up into universities.
Without access to better tools, learning outcomes for students are limited. They must learn proprietary programming languages and deal with robots that don't represent how robots in industry and research work. We've seen this problem firsthand, and the educators we've spoken to are looking for something better. RAWrobotics are responding to the educator demand and market gap for better and more modern educational robotics tools for high school up into university.
Our solution is in robotics hardware, a simulation platform, a suite of software libraries, and educational content that is community generated and shared. RAWrobotics products work out of the box as real robots. Students are able to use industrial programming languages like Python or JavaScript and work on real-world relevant robotics projects. RAWrobotics products can be integrated into other systems to extend capabilities beyond the standalone unit. Because of this, our products are just as useful to a PhD level researcher as they are to early high school students.
Our products are inspired by real robots from industry and academia. The biggest difference between our $550 Orion 5 robotic arm and a $200,000 robotic arm that you might find in a manufacturing plant is its accuracy and payload capacity. Functionally, they work in the same ways, and this ensures learning outcomes for students are relevant and transferable as possible.
QUT bought 70 Orion 5 robotic arms a year ago. They are being used by third-year engineering students with great success. QUT has since ordered another 10 units for research projects. We gained one high school as a foundation customer with a sale of 8 units and nearly 200 software subscriptions. As part of this latest sale, we have become an approved supplier for schools in Queensland, and the Department of Education has given our software a green light.
Since our first prototypes, we've made major developments in our product design, dropping the cost per unit and assembly time by significant margins. At current rates, our in-house manufacturing and assembly is profitable with a solid margin, with more economies yet to be made.
We're on track to bootstrap out of the garage within which we work. With the sale of another 100 units, we can begin to pay ourselves and quit our jobs. After a further 200, we could look at a commercial site to move to from the garage. After a further 200 units again, we would be ordering injection molds to be made via EDM and hiring on our first assembly employees.
You have been watching our Orion 5 robotic arm and new simulation environment. The simulator behaves the same as the real robot and can be used by students without access to the hardware.